The manufacturing jobs of tomorrow are being made in Melbourne's northeast, thanks to a new high-tech training centre. From 3D printers to robots, it's providing the next generation of engineers with crucial hands-on experience to fill gaps in our local industry.
It's all systems go in Heidelberg.
Press the start button. There we go.
An arsenal of robots, gadgets and widgets ready to fight Victoria's skills shortage.
We're not keeping up with industry and we need to step it up a bit and bring this automation into the actual apprenticeship level.
The industry asked and Melbourne Polytechnic delivered. Opening a new advanced manufacturing centre for TAFE students, partially funded by the state government.
It's important to make sure that we have got hands-on learning, that people get that real-life experience.
It's a training ground for apprentices such as Alex.
For a part like this, it'd normally take me around probably 4 to 5 hours to program.
He's making top-secret aerospace parts for the Australian Defence Force.
I don't really know what majority of them are for because it's really disclosed stuff. But yeah, I just love doing it, so I just love a challenge every single time it gets put on my desk.
Victoria's home to more than 23,000 manufacturing businesses, and that number is expected to grow in the next 10 years. The trouble is there's a shortage of skilled engineers, something the centre hopes to change. The skills taught here apply to a range of industries, whether it's food manufacturing, building space rockets, or designing medical equipment for intricate operations. And if you take a look, there are plenty of jobs to be had.
For Australia to remain competitive in today's market, we need to go to advanced manufacturing concepts.
Amber Johnston for 10 News First.